Hey y'all, how's it going? So Ohuhu sent me this polygel kit and I'm showing you guys what it has inside. So it has dual forms, it has like 7 or 8 different polygel colors, a white, a clear, and then a bunch of different shades of pink. It comes with a cuticle pusher, some slip solution, top and base coat. It comes with 4 different glitters, which are beautiful. And then it comes with a file, but I lost it. And it comes with a brush tool with a picker on the end of it. So these are the products that I'm going to be using from the kit. I'm using the top and base coat, and I did pour some of the slip solution in my little dish. And then I'm going to be using the white polygel today. I'm super excited. And then I'm also going to be using the brush and picker tool. So I've got my tips on and shaped, and I'm going to go in with the base coat. I'm going to go in and apply this. I did enjoy this base coat. It's a little bit thicker than other base coats that I've used, but with base coats I like them to be thicker because otherwise they flood the cuticle, and yeah, I just really did enjoy this base coat. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the white polygel. I'm going to put a bead on each one of my fingers and apply this like normal. I'm not going to do too much talking over this, over the application process, just because I think you guys kind of got it from all my other videos and stuff. But yeah, just enjoy the application and then I'll come back when I'm done. So after doing a finger, I've come to the conclusion that I do really like this polygel. It's not sticky, it's not super tough to work with. It's pretty soft, but not too soft where it'll flood your cuticle. It's actually a really nice polygel, and for how affordable this whole kit is, I'm extremely impressed. It blends really well, it moves around really well, it's not sticky, it doesn't stick to my brush, and yeah, overall I really am impressed by this. Okay guys, I'm going to go in with my hand file. This is a 180 grit hand file, and I'm going to do my filing, my shaping, and my buffing. I'm going to do some of it on camera, some of it off camera, just because I file for a while, and I don't think you guys need to watch all that. It's kind of boring. But yeah, I'm not using the file that comes in the kit because, like I said, I lost it, but I did use that file once, and it was a totally good file. Like, it worked just as well as any. Here how the nails are looking after they've been file shaped and buffed. They look so cute. I could totally leave these just white and be the happiest person ever. I love white nails. But I'm going to do a design. I'm going to take these 3 shades of nude. They're Beetles polishes, if you guys were wondering. And I'm going to do like a marble-ish effect on some of the nails. So I'm going to go in with the darkest color first, and I'm going to put a dot of it down, and then right on top of that I'm going to put the second darkest shade, and then on top of that I'm going to put the lightest shade. Also, I forgot to mention that I did apply a layer of base coat onto the pointer finger and my ring finger on the nails that I'm going to be doing this design on. So that's important. Don't forget to put base coat on. I just forgot to film it. So I'm going to go in with a dotting tool with the smallest end and just kind of swirl these colors together a little bit. You're not going to mix them completely. You're just going to kind of swirl them so you get a nice swirled effect. You can use like a toothpick or any kind of small tool for that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to scoop it just really gently, and then I'm gonna lay it down on my nail. You're not gonna like paint it on, you're just gonna lay it down. And after you lay it, you don't really want to touch it too much. You're just gonna want to spread the edges with the brush. So I thought it was a little dark, so I just put a small dot of the lightest color of gel polish right in the middle, and I'm just going to go back in with my dotting tool and swirl that around a little bit until I get it exactly how I want it. Alright, so I'm doing the exact same thing with my ring finger. My dog is like squealing. But yeah, I'm just doing the exact same thing, and I do put a little more gel polish right directly on the nail like I did with my pointer finger as well, and then swirl that around. Okay, so now for my favorite part, we are going to line the edges of that design with gold flakes. This ended up turning out so cute, so I'm really happy that I decided to do this. So I'm just picking up the flakes with my brush, and because we applied base coat, it's going to be sticky, so the gold flakes will have no problem adhering to the nail. So I'm going to line this brown line that I did with the gold flakes, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. So this is how it looks. I did the same exact thing to the other finger, and this is how they turned out. They're so cute. I'm going to apply the Ohuhu top coat and show you guys the results. These are absolutely adorable. I love them. I love the white, I love the gold, I love the swirl of like the chocolate brown. I just love these. They're so wearable, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video.